Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set up scene lighting for the real game. This is a real game and we want to start finding proper light setting. First you need to have a directional light as a sunlight. Open URP Lighting Box. Use high preset for lighting. First we need to create a lighting profile for the scene. I want to use the PBR lighting, volumetric clouds and 5. Nice. You can see the default settings is good. Delete lens filler to see the proper sun. Here you can move the sun. As you can see, everything is physically correct. You can customize fog. Everything is so simple. By Lighting Box. As you can see, everything is very simple and easy. Everything will depend on your taste. Also, don't forget the clouds are really 3D. As you can see, the clouds are really 3D. Nice. You can use sunset color or sunset lighting. Everything is physically correct and easy to use. Okay. You can use your own custom color. And finally enable the bloom effect. Nice. As you can see, everything is so easy and simple by URP Lighting Box 3. Lighting Box is a magic tool. Okay, I think depth of field disabled in this scene. Everything is so easy. By using the Lighting Box URP. This is a legacy fog. Legacy fog is based on the environment fog here. This fog is a new fog system. Can increase the lens dirt. As you can see, the lens dirt, it's not bad. Vignette effect is good. This value is the best. You can use other effects. A screen space reflection, intensity, a screen fade. Everything is so easy. And finally, you can use filmic color grading for your scene. As you can see, you can easily create filmic color grading, create saturation, or reduce it. Increase contrast, gamma. Everything will depend on your taste. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Everything is so easy by using the mobile lighting box. The default settings is good. This is the ambient. And this is the sunlight. If you like the sunset color, this is very good solution. Also, you can choose your desired sunlight, sun flare. For example, if you want to simulate the night mode, you can use the night mode. Okay, this is the moonlight. This is the night scene. You just need to rebake the reflection prop to update the scene reflection prop. Now your scene is really night. I hope this video is useful to you.